Hello everyone, Monday 18 December. So here at the back it's a private school, Hansel and Gretel. So I'm here to meet the tribe. First will be Saint Nicolas to meet the tribe, Saint Nicolas. They have normal clothes, but after we will go to the house of people, and we will see. You will see. You will see a tradition there. So I'm a little shy because many people I don't know. So all kids coming and we'll celebrate Saint Nicolas for kids. So you must know Saint Nicolas. It's tradition in Europe. So we'll speak later.
Okay, sino ang gustong makita na si Santa? Ako po! Ulitin na ang sagot. Sino ang gusto makita? Are you excited? Wow! Who wants gift? Sino gustong regalo? Okay, yung gustong regalo? Okay, sit down.
So Saint Nicolas is coming.
Guys, cellphone mo. Sabi ko nagpayat si Santa.
Lain nakamukit para hindi po maguluhan. Dalawang line dito. Titingnan mo, Be. Sa likod. Be. PJ. Dito po sa likod. Bibigyan naman lahat. Sige na, don't worry. Lahat kayo bibigyan. All po sa likod. Tulungan niya na baka sige. Exciting doon talaga ang aking sa adult ngayon. Yun ang talaga ng naghahalakit ng mga asin, ang Christmas, ano po. Sige. Po, anong Lex? Sige po. Ano gusto mo dyan, Lex?
Hindi maraman na kadako.
Okay. Okay. Alex. Pili na po, pili na. Pili ka na. Kuha ng isa po. Pagkakuha, doon na muna po sa likod. Yung pili mo, Bibi! Alin gusto mo? Ay, alin ba? Ito? No. Sige na, pili na.
So second school. So now I will explain a little history. There is coordinator named Carmen Dapilos. She made a charity in Philippines, and there is many German donators. We give toy, we give money for school, and she built 7 private school for Aita tribe. Here is the second school. We'll go to another school today. So it's private school. Because you know Aita tribe, you will see in another video, they are very poor. So Carmen Dapilos made a charity to help them. So they have free school. And today I'm invited with every school I'm invited, sorry but with music, invited in every school to celebrate Christmas with the kids. So you see the name school, Hansel and Gretel. The same name all school because it's the name foundation. So me, I give to every kid something, but only few crackers because I'm not rich. I cannot afford. And they receive toys from German peoples. Every kids receive toys. So it's second-hand toys. It's from Germany, from kids that don't play anymore, and they give to Aita tribe. So you must know Saint Nicholas celebrates in Europe 6 December. Today we are 18 December. So it's what the tribe did for us. Many food. That's it. You can go, I follow you.
Okay, say good afternoon to our visitors.
Good afternoon.
Nagustuhan mo iti ma?
We go over.
Hello everybody. And they started the program 10 o'clock in the morning. And so they are now having their games and then have you eaten? And they have eaten already. So, isa lang naghahalatang bisita. Isa itong naghahalatang bisita. Si isa naghahalatang bisita? Ni maabot. Hi children! Sisay ang halatang maabot. Yes. Ano sa? Sisay po. Isa ang naghahalat ni maabot. Sisay po. Ase. Ano ba? Nicholas? Saint Luke or Saint Nicholas? Saint Nicholas. Ay, Saint Nicholas. Wow, Saint Nicholas. Oh, isa itang maghahalap. Oh, Mayo na. O si Mayo na bigahalap, di ba ulit na? Iyo po, isa na Mayo bigahalap. Those who are not waiting for anybody, then they can go home. This afternoon, we have a special guest, si Sir Ferdy Bet. Sir Ferdy Bet, nalinig maputi. Baka man siya, he is from Belgium. Yan siya nagdi sa tuya sa Pilipinas, naglibot-libot. Gusto niyang mahiling ang pagbuhay ng Pilipino. Gusto niya, lalo na gusto niyang mahiling ang mga tribo. And then, sabi ko, sabi ko, ganyan ko kami mga iba kong trabaho, itabang ko sa mga tribo. Kaya nag-interest, kaya nagsubang hapon, halik siyang ligaste. Nagdigdita talagang gusto niya mahiling ng mga eskwelahan. Ano siya, he's a vlogger. Gusto niya pahiling yung magagayong yung lugar. Hindi sa ang pagkabuhay-buhay na dito sa Pilipinas. Kaupahuda siya sa Pilipinas. Sabi niya nga hindi na siya mauli sa inyo. Subang nga na diba nagtulog. Sabi ko, ano, bukasan ko ang aircon. Ay, di niya. Sabi ko, yan ang kalipot. Ang kalipot yung mga ibang sa muya. Gusto niya na mainit. Pwede. Kasi ito sa ano. Gusto ko ba niya kung electric fan na ita? Gusto niya na ainit. Wow, ganyan. So nagturog siya without aircon, without electric fan because he loves the heat. He came from, sa Europe mo niya, Malikudon, it's winter, nag-yellow. Lalo na mo niya na, dahil panabasi, November pala, nag-uura na ba ng yellow. So he's happy here. Okay. Ano po rin pasikat? Ano ba pwede ng pasikat sa iya? Ano to halatong na si Ganun na si St. Nicholas? Pamutong na. Ano po mga mama? Before man na si maistorya man nagtagdikit kay St. Nicholas. Munya na panahon na Christmas. Ang sa kuya yung happiness during Christmas is the birth of Christ. Sa ikadua, nagkakaibigan stars. Ano ba sa sa luwas? We have a Christmas tree. And then most of all, kadagay pa kitang mga kaugalian na dapat maaraman ka mga ate, ang old traditions for Filipinos during the Christmas time. But then, it's very important for the children to experience the coming si Santa Claus. Isa si Santa Claus, si Santa Claus. Si Santa Claus, yan ang dahang si Saint Nicholas. Ang magagyan kan ngara na Lucas, ang dahang niya Luke. O si Saint Nicholas, dahaan man ka mga American, ang Saint Nicholas, ginahaamin sa Santa Claus. Ay, di nagadarang mo. Dahil dataman niya na mga experience ng Christmas, yaon si Saint Nicholas, dahil taaram kung ano ang Saint Nicholas. Dapat aramon ta. Ano ta, inapod siyang Saint Nicholas. Paano kang siya obispo? Kang siya obispo, ano siya, talagang aram siya dumang sa lugar na mabukod sa mga aki. He was very kind and he was very generous to the children. Not only to the children, but to the poor families. O yan na po, St. Nicholas. St. Nicholas,
sa sigong tao po kaysa kung ano, may makakako.
All children, pupils, mag-line po, magdidikisir, katataon ng cookies. Sako-sako, magdidiyo, line na po.
So now it's 9 p.m. Wake up 5, all day, meet the tribe. Very interesting, very emotional. Now I'm in the mountain, in the school built by charity to help them. The school is not yet finished, it will be finished next month. So I don't know what to say because all day meet so many people, so many things to see the tradition of Aita tribe. Very good people. I was surprised when I arrived here. Oh, how they welcome to me. I was surprised, so beautiful. All kids flowers to me after a nice song. Oh my, very emotional, very emotional. A few times I wanted to cry because it's so nice. We are so good people, really. The tribe, the tradition must be maintained. Yeah. So I hope you enjoy because there was never one Bicol here, outside the tribe. You're first to see that, and I hope you appreciate it. Yes. I give little to the kids tribe, but one day when I will be more healthy with the money, I will come back with a gift. And thanks to Carmen Dapilos, is Filipina, all coordinate with the tribe to help them. She built with a foundation with charity a 7th school in the mountain. And the Aita tribe, there are like 7,000, but they're not all going to the school from foundation. And the school is free for kids, elementary school, and now they have also I forget grad run, when you are a little older. So it's good for them. So now I will sleep, we'll wake up 5. Tomorrow we'll meet all teacher. Maybe I will include in this video one other video, because today I did maybe 100 video. I must read it all, so I don't know what it will include, but probably I will do a few video Because if I do one video 2 hours, I guess only few will look, you know. Maybe some time it's yeah, but it's very interesting, you know. I'm excited to see again the video I did today. It's incredible to meet the tribe in the Philippines. I didn't expect that. Yeah. So now it's time to sleep. Thank you. Leave a comment, subscribe. Because this tribe must be to promote. And when you like this video, this tradition about the tribe, more show. So I hope many people will see that. I hope. For them. Yeah. So thanks. Good night.